Hi, my name is Eli Vasquez.
I'm Christina John.
My name is Frontiera, and I'm from the greatest state of Florida. I'm a huge Hamilton fan, going to the Thomas Jefferson Memorial and also the Washington Monument. I loved the whole entire trip. Before I came on the trip, I knew what I stand on, what I believe on. So when I got here, it wasn't just like changing my viewpoint and changing my beliefs. It was more of looking at what other people think, so that way I'm just not oblivious. Throughout the whole entire workshop, everyone didn't agree on everything. So the fact that we had to disagree on something and talk about the disagreements, it was a very nice moment for me to get to see how they feel about certain topics.
Close-up helped me find a lot of qualities in me that I never knew existed in me. I never knew that I could talk like I did that 1 week. I could communicate, I could lead. I never knew any of that. I never knew I was capable of any of that.
It brought to life everything that we had been studying. The Vietnam War was raging at that time, and there we were in the Pentagon. There we were in the White House. It was just bringing history to life. Always realizing how fragile our democracy is, because it really requires that balance of all these organizations to make it work and sustain it throughout the years.